This is Lenovo K5 Snapdragon 616 K5 Vibe that I've ordered from Amazon, and this is the standard packaging, sealed completely. At the back it gives you the specification, price point, etc., and in the front it gives you the specifications. It has a screen guard, it says, and at the top it says warranty would be provided properly. Now I would just unbox it. I've removed the seal, and this is the phone itself. The trans receiver is the golden color with the screen guard at the top itself, and if I remove the top cover, it gives you the user manual and all those things, and inside you have this removable battery around 2300 milliampere hour, and you have this data cable neatly packed, and you have this charger of rating 1.5 ampere 5 volts. That's the only thing you get in the box. And so I've opened the back cover. It took me serious time to open the back cover. So now this is how you can see two separate SIM cards, and in the middle you have this SD card, separate SD card. On top is the camera and the flash and the battery information. I'll just plug in the battery and try to charge it. Now the phone is booting up, taking its own time. The first startup is there. The capacitive buttons are not backlit, you can see here, and I'll just go through and just configure it quickly. It just takes less than 1 minute, so that's good. So by default you can see Android 5.1.1 version, hardware version 201, build number 6160830, S004 is there. I'll just go ahead and check for updates. Says your device is up to date, so possibly there is no more update for this.
So I've connected the charger, and I also, between cable and charger, I've connected this charger doctor USB charge indicator meter. So you can see around 5.27 volts is outputted and 1.39 amperes is been discharged through the charger, and kind of very stable, it's not moving, so should go on fine. Since this Snapdragon 616 processor, I assume it to charge fast. Let's hope it would go through that. And once it is charging, many people say it gets heated up, so let me see here if it does get heated up. It's around 33 degrees, and I'll check it at the back also. Though it's not too hard by feeling at the back, it's around the same temperature. If I do a probe, you can see the red dot on the phone. It's moving to find the hot point. Almost kind of uniform temperature at all the ends. So it's fine, I think it's not getting hot. So the default UI, and right now there's no Marshmallow update from Lenovo, so I think it should come in future. And most of the default apps that Vibe UI gives, they're all there. Not too much cluttered, but yeah, the response is good and overall things are great. So I hope I'll have a good experience with this. Thank you for watching.